Mr. Hatfield. Mr. Hat, Mr. Hatfield. Mr. Hatfield.
My son did this stupid video. It is called smashing 1 GB SD card. Here is the video.
I'm gonna see if it still works. I'll be back after I test that. If it still works, we're gonna have to kick it up a notch. Unlock it. God dang! Oh yeah, guys, look at this. Guys, we done it good. We got it bent. So, my cat's being crazy.
I shown you a minute of the last parts. Why would you waste a good SD card like that? I mean, what the F word is wrong with him? But I will see you later. Bye guys.